Imagine waking up each morning, dreading the uncomfortable fullness and pain that's become your daily reality. You've tried everything to relieve constipation, over-the-counter pills, drinking more water, even those internet hacks that promise overnight results. But nothing seems to work consistently. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Studies show that over 16% of Americans suffer from chronic constipation, with millions more experiencing occasional bouts that disrupt their lives. How to use these constipation home remedies for fast relief and a lasting solution? That's exactly what we'll cover today, with approaches that actually address the root cause, not just temporary fixes. What most people do not realize is that constipation isn't just an inconvenience. It's your body sending urgent signals that something's wrong with your digestive system. Left untreated, chronic constipation can lead to more serious issues like hemorrhoids, anal fissures, and even an increased risk of colon cancer. Even more concerning, when waste remains in your colon for extended periods, toxins can be reabsorbed into your bloodstream, potentially affecting everything from your energy levels to your immune function. This is why finding effective solutions isn't just about comfort. It's about your overall health and well-being. Let's explore some proven home remedies that can provide both immediate relief and help establish healthier digestive patterns. 1. Strategic hydration. Simply drinking more water isn't enough. The timing matters. Start with 16 ounces of room temperature water with a squeeze of lemon first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before eating anything. This stimulates peristalsis, the natural contractions that move waste through your intestines. 2. The magnesium method. Many people are deficient in magnesium, a mineral crucial for bowel movements. Taking 300–400 millimolars of magnesium citrate before bed can gently draw water into the intestines, softening stool without the harsh effects of commercial laxatives. 3. Specific fiber combinations. Not all fiber is created equal when it comes to constipation. Combining soluble fiber, like chia seeds soaked overnight, with insoluble fiber, like leafy greens, creates the perfect balance to move things along. But be careful. Increasing fiber too quickly can actually worsen symptoms initially. 4. The 3-minute abdominal massage technique. Using your fingertips, massage your abdomen in a clockwise motion, starting at the lower right, moving up to the rib cage, across to the left side, and then down, following the natural path of your colon. Do this for 3 minutes before getting out of bed to stimulate natural movement. 5. The position secret. Most toilets are designed incorrectly for optimal elimination. Using a small footstool to elevate your knees above your hips creates a more natural squatting position, which straightens the rectum and makes bowel movements significantly easier. While these remedies provide excellent short-term relief, many people find that addressing the underlying gut health issues creates a more permanent solution. There's something that's been helping thousands of people restore their digestive balance naturally, especially those who've struggled with chronic constipation, despite trying multiple approaches. It's called Vivo Gut Pro, a specialized supplement that focuses on rebuilding your gut microbiome, the foundation of digestive health. Unlike temporary fixes that force bowel movements, it works by addressing the bacterial imbalances and inflammation that often cause chronic constipation in the first place. You can learn more about how it works in the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Many users report not just relief from constipation, but improvements in bloating, gas, and even energy levels within weeks of consistent use. To summarize the most effective constipation home remedies, start your day with warm lemon water to stimulate natural movement. Consider magnesium supplementation before bed. Combine both types of fiber strategically. Practice the 3-minute abdominal massage technique. Use proper positioning with elevated knees during bowel movements. These approaches work together to provide both immediate relief and long-term improvements. Remember, constipation isn't just about discomfort. It's about your body telling you something needs attention. If you're tired of temporary solutions and want to address the root cause of your digestive issues, click the first link in the description or check the pinned comment to learn more about Vivo Gut Pro and how it's helping people finally achieve digestive comfort without harsh laxatives or temporary fixes. Your body deserves better than just managing symptoms. It deserves actual healing.